So today we're going to take a look at a weed eater that is bogging down when we're trying to run it. So stick around. So before we're doing any sort of work to the weed eater, we want to make sure that our primer bulb is not cracked, we have good gas in the weed eater, and that our fuel lines are not broken or cracked as well. So let's take a look at what we got. So every time I'm hitting the gas, the weed eater is bogging down. So I'm going to make an adjustment on the carburetor. In order to do that, I'm going to use a little carburetor adjustment tool, and I'll make sure that I leave a link in the description below. This little set here, I think I got for about 15 bucks, might have been even cheaper on sale. But it's got an assortment of adjustment tools in it, and we only need one, and it's going to be this one with a spline. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see this or not. It's a bit difficult to see, but it's just got a bunch of little splines all the way around, and that's what I'm going to use to make this adjustment for the carburetor. So let's get to that. If you look in here, there's two screws, one on the left and one on the right, which this adjustment tool will fit over top of, and we can make an adjustment on our carburetor that way. The one on the left is the low speed adjustment, and the one on the right is the high speed adjustment. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my adjustments on the left side to begin with, and I'm going to put it in, turn it a little bit counterclockwise, maybe about half a turn, and we'll see if it starts, and if not, then I'll just try to make small adjustments doing that, and we'll see where we get. Okay, so that's how you make the adjustment with a carburetor adjustment tool, which makes the job a lot easier. So I suggest you get one. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description for the one that I'm using currently. But if you don't have one available, it is possible to do the same adjustment with a needle nose, a small set of needle nose pliers, but it's a lot more difficult. But I'll go ahead and show you how you can do that on this weed eater. Unfortunately, you can't get to the adjustment screws as is. You actually have to remove a few things in order for the needle nose to reach for this unit, so I'll go ahead and show you guys how to do that. So this is a 8mm socket. Okay, so now we have access to our two little screws here. The problem is that the carburetor is now loose. So before you do anything, you want to put your nuts that you removed right back on to hold your carburetor in place. Just like that. Now you have access to your screws with your needle nose pliers. So you'll need a small set to kind of reach in there, squeeze, and then make your adjustments. So like I said, this is a much harder way to do it, but you can still do it this way. Okay, so that's it for the video. Hopefully that helps you guys out with trying to make an adjustment on your carburetor if it's necessary. As I said, I mostly worked with the left side screw, which was the low speed, but you can also make an adjustment on high speed if necessary. So do me a favor, like, subscribe, and share if you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you comment, and I appreciate all your support, and I'll see you guys next time.